tanks can be repaired. Typically there's lots of older style brick built systems that are suffering as a result with cracks or displaced pipes, etc. So they can be repaired, but what should be considered is, if you're spending money on repairing it, could that money be better placed in actually bringing it up to speed with a modern replacement, because often the older systems don't comply to modern legislation. So invariably it's actually more economic to replace rather than repair.